Good morning. When you first log in, you'll see a page similar to this for statistics, and you can click on here to watch the welcome video, which is this video I'm recording right now. The syllabus is located in this module, and to access the assignments, this is the link right here, ALEKS Math. Before you click on this link for ALEKS Math, you need to go to the Welcome Start Here, and right here you're going to see your temporary access code. So you want to print this out or write it down so you can enter it when you click on the ALEKS link. So once you click on the ALEKS link or ALEKS Math link, it's going to bring you to this page here. And if you've ever used ALEKS before, you can say yes. If no, you're going to have to create an account. So notice how it says up here, verify your email as you're clicking through these steps and apply access. This is where you'll enter your temporary access code, which will be good for 10 days. You still need to purchase the bookstore link access code, and you can update that when your temporary code ends. But as you click through on step 3 here, that's where you're going to apply the temporary code or your bookstore code. So going back here, the bookstore link is found under the syllabus office hours, so you can click that. Right here is the bookstore link. This will take you to the exact page that you need to purchase the code. Before your temporary code or after your temporary code expires. One thing to note is that the bookstore has a time frame for when they will accept vouchers if you have a voucher. So my suggestion is to start with the temporary code so you don't fall behind, but immediately go and purchase for the bookstore link with your voucher. And I believe all you have to do is put in your student ID when you get to that page. The course syllabus is here. You can look that over. I also have an interactive syllabus. If you click on that, you can click on different informations to find out things, and it will take you right to there. Once you're in ALEKS, it's going to bring you to a page like this. You can just click through all of this and read what it says. And it shows you where the stuff is up at the top. I'm just going to close all this out. And the next thing I want to show you is once you get to this point here, you can click on Start My Path. And there really isn't much to do with this. You can just click through all of this. The most important thing is you want to go to assignments, and here are all the upcoming assignments. This is where you're going to find all your work right here. So for instance, homework 1, 2, 3, you can see the start date, the end date, and when it's due. These dates may or may not coincide with the calendar year that you're in right now, because I'm doing this for the summer of 2026. But you will see your dates, start date, due date, and you can see everything that you need to do. So there's not a pie on this, so to say, like in the modules 060 through 064. So just click on your homework and you can get that done. Now I'm going to click into one of these. Here is an assignment. Once I clicked on it, and you can see I have to answer questions and then click next once I get it done. But once I wanted to show you up here, you can click on this for an explanation, or you can click on this for a guided solution. So once you click through these, let's see, which food category was the most money spent? Looks like meat and poultry. So if I click that, I can check it and I get it correct. If I don't get it correct, I can finish the problem and redo it. or right here it says try another, and notice it brings up the same thing. So basically you can just go through all of these assignments, but your help links are over here and at the bottom. Now back at Blackboard, again, here is your link for ALEKS Math, and you want to make sure you're in the Start and click on Temporary Access Code to get that temporary access code. All right, let me minimize this. In this one here, I have all of the formula sheets that you may need and or charts, so you can refer back to these, but when you get to the problems in the ALEKS, they will provide the formula sheets and the charts when needed, but you might want to print the formula sheet. So again, just click on that down arrow and you can see the formula sheet. The section 7.1 pretty much is where you start with the shortcuts and the charts. On each of these sections, I have some notes. So you can click on the notes and see what they are, and proceed to each section. Notice how they're all marked. When you get to starting with, for instance, if I go into 2.1 right here, I start having some videos, lectures on how to solve the homework problems. So you might want to watch these before you actually start the content. And again, everything is labeled, but the videos don't start until you're in chapter 2. And again, everything is all labeled for section numbers, so you can easily find what you need for the particular sections.